Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel iGlam Diaries. I am Ishanita. Today's video is super exciting because recently I have purchased few products from Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Basically restocked few skincare and body care products for me and for my mom. So let's jump into it. Starting with my most favorite moisturizer from Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel with hyaluronic acid. So I have been using this one since 2022. I swear, this is the hydration in a bottle. It is very lightweight, non-sticky and absorbs instantly. And MRP is 1190, but I have got it around 750. I really forgot the sale price, so I will leave the screenshot on the screen for your reference. Second is my another favorite from Neutrogena. So this is their cleanser, deep clean facial cleanser, normal to oily skin. Also I am using this one from 2022. I use this one twice a day, and this is perfect for daily use. Whenever I use this one, my skin feels so fresh and clean because it literally removes all the excess oil and dirt from my face. Actually, my skin is super sensitive, so I do not experiment much with my skincare products. Whatever I use, I just stick to it. This one, this Sunfay Pore Strip. So it has 6 strip. I use 2 strip each month, so last for 3 months. And MRP is 169. This is a totally game changer. Before this one I have used a lot of post strip, but nothing really worked for me. But this one works like a magic. If you have blackheads and whiteheads, then definitely you can try it out because it literally removes, and this is my total savior. Next is this Lakme Lumi cream in the shade BB Rose. MRP is 349, quantity 30 gram. So I have been using this one since 2021. I literally forgot how many bottles I have already finished. Like whenever I'm just going outside, I use this one whether I put makeup or not. Like it has moisturizer and highlighter. Like if you use this one, your skin looks so fresh and healthy, I guess. Your skin, but in a better way. Move on to my body care products. Next is this two body wash from a Nykaa. One is Dreaming of Paris and another one is Country. So this is a very fun fragrance. It's very sweet, it's very fruity. Like it's perfect for like summer days. Quantity is 300 ml and MRP is 399 rupees. And this one is more like a feminine. Like if you use this one, you will be like a walking bouquet. I literally love how it smells. Both of these body washes are very hydrating. It nourishes my skin really well, so I literally love this one, but depends on my mood. I use roll on from B Body Wise. So this is B Body Wise 4% AHA BHA underarm roll on. It controls body odor and reduce pigmentation. So before this one, I have used Dot & Key, that serum and mask combo, but it didn't work for me. So this is my second bottle and it literally worked. Rum area is a bit pigmented, but this one literally reduces my pigmentation. I can see the result. So this is my current favorite. Move on to what I got for my mom because she also has her favorite. This L'Oreal Paris Day Cream. So this is L'Oreal Paris Revitalite Hyaluronic Acid. My mom using this one for 1 year now, so I can literally see the changes because her skin is way better than what was before. Actually, she has some kind of pigmentation over this cheekbone areas. So I have researched a lot that which kind of products are good for her skin. So I came up with this and another one. So this two combo is very effective. So my mom loves this one. It's very hydrating, non-sticky and moisturizes her skin all day long. And quantity is 50 ml and MRP is 1049 rupees. I forgot the sale price, so I will leave over here. Next one is this L'Oreal Paris Revitalite Moisturizing Night Cream, Anti-Wrinkles, and it has a retinol. My mom used this one at night every day. It literally, moisturizes her skin really well. Quantity is 50 ml and where is MRP? 1200 or something. Yeah, I will put it. And the last thing that I have got for her is this lip balm. So this is from Dot & Key Lip Boss Lip Balm with SPF 50. This is for 12 gram and MRP is 249. It has a very, that reddish tint, and this is in the shade, I guess, strawberry. Yeah, strawberry crush. It has a very mild strawberry fragrance. It nourishes her lips very well. These are the products that I have purchased from Nykaa, and these are all tried and tested and literally worked for me. So if you want to buy any of the skincare products specifically, then know your skin type first and then go for it. So that's all for today's video. Please let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite skincare or body care products. If you love this video, give a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you soon in my next video.